Hi everyone, let's see one of the question on flip-flop conversion. Any XY flip-flop is represented by following state diagram. Realize it using JK flip-flop by finding J and K values. Okay, means here they are simply asking for us to represent XY flip-flop in terms of J and K, something like this. Okay, see, let's see how we will do this one, right? Earlier we have seen the same kind of question, but there they have given the expression. Means earlier they have given one expression. Through that expression we try to find out the characteristics table, then we try to find out the remaining procedure. See, basically what you have to do, whether it is an expression or whether it is a characteristic table or whatever it may be, state diagram or whatever it may be, finally you have to get the characteristic table for the destination flip-flop. Then the second step is you have to find out the excitation table for the source flip-flop, and at the end you have to generate various kind of equations. Okay, fine. So now coming to this question, they have given here state diagram. Guys, from state diagram, can we able to construct the characteristics table? Just think about it. Yes, right? We can able to construct it. See, here if we are going to observe, if I am present at the state of let's assume that A state or Qn state, whatever it may be according to their names. If I say that A state, right, let me call that as a Qn state, right? If I am present at the Qn state, if I am going to give the xy values as 0 0, I am going to get the same state. Means if I write like this, xy, what is its next state? Qn plus 1. Means if I am going to have 0 0 as input on, you are going to get the same state. If I am going to have 0 1 1 0 1 1, if I am going to have 0 1, see, observe where it is moving. It is moving to some other state, so I can call it as Qn bar, right? If I am going to write 1 0, it is moving to some other state, I can call it as Qn bar. If I am going to have 1 1 1 1, it will always go to Qn. That's it, right? This is the corresponding what we can call it as function table, right? So with this function table we can able to get again the characteristics table once again, right? So characteristics table you are going to get xy qn plus 1. What are the values of xy qn? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 triple 1. If I am going to get like this, right? Now what you can understood, if I am going to have the values of xy are 0 0, where you are going to move? You are going to move to same state. Same state means it's simply kind of latch mode only, right? So Qn. If I am going to have 0 1, they are going to be complemented state. If I am going to have 1 0, they are going to be again complemented state. If I am going to have 1 1, they are going to be latch mode, that is what 0 1. So this is the corresponding characteristics table for the given state diagram, right? From the characteristics table, can we able to get the excitation table for JK flip-flop? Yes, means for what kind of inputs, how your circuit is behaving, right? So you can go to the earlier video so that you can get the idea of how the JK flip-flop excitation table will be looking, right? If I write here Qn plus 1 JK for 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, you are going to have 0 pi 1 pi pi 1 and pi 0, right? So if I write like this, for 0 0 you are going to get 0 pi, for 0 0 you are going to get 0 pi, 0 0 you are going to get 0 pi, for 0 1 you are going to get 1 pi, for 1 0 pi 1, 1 0 pi 1, for 1 1 pi 0, for 1 1 pi 0, right? So now if you are able to solve the expression for the j for the inputs of x y qn, you are going to get the j value as x bar y plus xy bar. For the k value is x bar y plus xy bar. Xy bar, right? As you know, the j and k values in terms of x, you can able to draw its circuit diagram. Yes, you can take j, you can take k. For both, the input is same, right? The input is same, which is a kind of XOR, I think, right? So XOR. So if you are able to observe, which is a kind of don't worry about the circuit diagram, just understood how it is behaving. It's a kind of XOR. XY are the inputs. That's it. This is the corresponding circuit diagram for the given thing. So this will be Qn, this will be Qn bar. That's it. I hope understood clearly. Thank you.